Okay, can we do the shortcut? Oh, it's steep, it's rooty. It's steep and rooty. Oh, and it goes on. Okay. It goes on. That's a decent shortcut. Not bad. And again, oh wait, wrong shortcut. Today we are in Porirua at Colonial Knob and checking out some new trails we've already ridden, some sneaky trails, so it's going to be a good day. Check it out. Not too shabby. Beauty. Alrighty. Drop into this first trail. First time for me riding it. See how it rides. Apparently just pretty flowy. Lots of nice berms at the bottom by the sounds of it. Oh, that's a bit of a tighty. In the wrong gear. Get a bit of momentum. Ooh, blind. Pretty tight and twisty. It's pretty fun so far. As the name suggests, game of two halves. I think the top bit is a little bit different to the bottom. This top bit seems to be a little bit more tighter, a little bit more rooty, I guess. There's not really that many roots on here. Yeah. Nice. Real nice leaning berms. And there's plenty of grip in here as well, which is really nice. Not too dusty. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Got some rocks. Some bridges. Put everything on here. It's pretty hard to see with all the bushes on the inside of the corners. It's kind of hard to see what's coming up. That's a nice berm. Get nice and high on there if you want to. Nice. Definitely seems to be like a few little, not much, but there's some little lips here and there. It's quite nice for the flow, you know, nice berms. And you've also got some little jumps like that one. What have we got here? Nice. Oh, the dirt here feels so good. Feels pretty nice and loamy. Dead center on that one. See if we can go up high, down low. I'm so bad at cornering. Although these corners are pretty nice. Liking this one so far. Berms are really nice, and that was a pretty bad case. As I was saying, berms are really nice and supportive. Whew. Not too dusty, just the right amount of support. Pretty good trail. I'm not going to clear that one. Not a chance. And the climb up didn't seem too bad either. Seemed fairly chill. A couple of shortcuts, as you probably saw from the first video, or the first part of the video. And that was okay, coming way too fast into that one. Okay, now they're getting a bit more gravelly. Looks like that's the bottom. That was pretty fun. Now, I think we're going to go back up, and then we're going to go across to the farm road, I think it is, and then over the chimney sweep and do some more trails over there. Beauty. Needed to suss out the line. Looks like we just go straight down, pretty much. Looks way more intimidating because looks like you just jump off a cliff. You kind of do. I mean, obviously a lot of this braking control down. It seems pretty loose. Isn't too bad. Got a bit of a rock roll here, and that's it. See if we can okay, can't clip in. Try that again. Can we clip in? Can we clip? Okay, I'm in. Nice and tight through the bushes. Single tight sections. Camber, a bit of an uphill. Pretty nice so far. So just getting a little bit steeper. Try and go on the outside here. Oh my god, there's so much grip. This is amazing. It's like it really goes down to a bit of a pinch at the bottom here, so I can control my speed. That didn't end very well. Bit of a stump there. Okay. pretty cool so far. Like the bushes. All these ones that seem to be a little bit more kind of exposed. So if I fall down here, I can grab on some trees, which is great. Rather than grabbing onto a bunch of rocks. This is pretty sick. Got some rocks. There's some roots. Okay, now we back out into the open. Where are we going now? Back out into the forest. Oh, okay. That was the wrong gear. Okay. Now, back into the natives. Beauty. This is my kind of trail. On the inside there. Nowhere near as steep as the other trails here, but even less. Very tight though. Got 760 more miles, which definitely helps with this kind of stuff. This helps with Wellington in general. Gonna have the narrow bars for the trees. And getting your little pinkies, you know, they're useful, I think. This is inside here, and then outside. Look out for those tree stumps. Nice. Oh, dude. This is a super sick little like native trail. Pretty natural, not many catches, don't be really. Oh, don't go that way. That is not the trail. We go this way. Alrighty. I can hear a road. Looks like we're getting closer to the bottom now. Hopefully it doesn't shimmy and spit me out onto the road. Oh, look at that. Wow. What an absolute delight. On to the next. Some more roots. Yo! About to drop into... Oh, grab some grip. Third trail. Third and final trail of the day. Now, I haven't ridden this one in a wee while, like maybe 2 or 3 years. I remember it being quite rooty and quite janky as well. So hopefully all the jank is still there. Hopefully all the roots are still there. But let's find out. We've got some yes. Yeah, there's the jank. Alrighty. Okay, that's quite hard jank. Okay. Okay, see if we can get a bit more flow down here. Get some speed for an uphill, damn it. just killed all my speed. Okay. Think we want to go this way. Think. Don't know. Or do we want to go either way? It's fine. This way looks good. This way has some flow. We've got flow, we've got roots. This one looks great. Bit of a drop. I think I rolled it. Just some old tight, twisty uphill corners. More kind of steeper stuff. Just a straight line there. Nice. Oh, low. That felt much nicer. Oh, and I'm getting a phone call. Sorry, no phone calls today. Oh, and these shredding trails. Ah. Oh yeah, this trail is sick. Loving this. A little bit more open than the last one. Got some nice fast sections, some real sick rooty bits. And it goes on. Some more roots. Going uphill. Whew. Oh, some more rooty goodness. Oh yeah. A bit steeper. Okay, that was a very questionable line, but hey, it worked out. Oh, we're going uphill. Got some tank. Oh, we've got the leaf. Oh wait, what's that? Is that where we want to go? Maybe. You know what? I think that's where we want to go. Yes. The trail goes on. Oh, that's a tighty. It gets a bit tighter. Man, how would you ride trails like this? That was some trail goodness right there. Pretty amazing. Oh, well, it was a great time over here in Porirua, Colonial Knob. Dirt Seekers NZ signing out. Later.